When styling links in HTML, you can use CSS pseudo-classes to give each link a different appearance based on its state. So you can use the link. Now this pseudo-class will style a link that has a destination and has not yet been visited. So you can use this syntax to style links. We have another pseudo-class, visited. Now this styles a link that has already been visited by a user. You have hover, which styles the link when the user hovers over it with the mouse pointer. We have focus. This styles the link when it has focus. So when the user has navigated to it using the keyboard, or by default or from program, it has been focused on. We have active, and this styles a link when it is being clicked on. So by combining these pseudo classes, we give each link type a unique appearance and making the web page more visually appealing.